I didn't even see him. My glass. What the? What the? Holy sh**.
Macy's, the lowest prices of spring are here this weekend only. Hello, diamond jewelry for only $399. That was originally $1,500. It's Macy's lowest prices, but just this weekend only. Savings are already reduced prices. Exclusions apply at Macy's.
You crash?
So.
Oh.
Oh yeah, what's this?
Got it.
Cut a wall, baby.
Thể gây áp lực lạm phát khi CPI chưa phản ánh đầy đủ biến động giá tài sản. Dù Anta dự báo tín dụng tiếp tục tăng nửa cuối năm, nhiều chính sách tiền tệ nới lỏng, bất động sản phục hồi và đầu tư công đẩy mạnh. Những ngân hàng có mức tăng trưởng vượt trung bình nên nhiều khả năng sẽ được cấp thêm hạn mức. Nửa đầu 2025, tín dụng chủ yếu.
Whoa. He did, didn't he?
Yes.
Oh man. How the
Hey guys, just pull up. Hey guys, we possibly got that on our car dash cam. We're just gonna pull in front of you and check our camera, okay? Okay.
What's wrong?
Jesus Christ!
can't. Where'd my phone go?
Dude, what is that guy doing?
Take a left. Take a left.
What?
Thank God I said something.
Should I have let him hit me? He was over the yellow line. I would have.
How much is it? Should I send you? Yo, I got hit, babe. I got hit. Somebody hit me. Accident, look what happened right in front of us. The accident happened right in front of us.
More fuel mean faster trip. So we make much astrophage. How'd you make so much? Earth had a very difficult time making it. Was easy, put in metal balls with carbon dioxide. Wait, astrophage double, much.
Bro.
Right.
You!
Hotter than astrophage. All they had to do was throw it in the water.
That guy.
I actually agree with Dad.
That was
See how slow they were going?
that was ridiculous. He cut me off, so I'm gonna cut him off.
Celsius or more. That's a
Stupid guy. Close to what? I don't know what they can tell me when my phone was a